Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a secret potion. Now this green secret potion is in a square bottle with a cork and a little tag on it. I think you're going to like this. Come on, let's get in the studio and get drawing. Okay, we're going to get started here with our drawing. First thing we want to do is to draw it could be a diamond on the ground here, the lower part of your page. There's also a square that's in perspective. Foreshortened is the correct word. Anyhow, with our diamond, we want to connect the dots, connect the corners so it forms a cross in the middle. And then that will actually show us the very center of our diamond. And we're going to go a straight up line. That's the center of our bottle. A curve to suggest the bottom part of our bottle. And then we get into the neck. Once we have that established, we're going to draw a small oval at the very tip top and a lip for the top of our bottle. I'm going to draw around almost a sphere, more like a dome, to be the cork at the top. And another small oval to be the top of the cork. And if you need to pause it right now, this would be a perfect time to pause it and get these key construction lines down.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Okay, let's go ahead and draw the top of our liquid in our bottle. And remember, our bottle's transparent. It has a thickness of clear glass. So I'm following the outside contour of the bottle. And here I'm putting in the little bubbles that are inside this potion. And then of course, when I get to the top surface of it, I want to kind of make the bottom part flat and the top part round. Okay, at the top here, I'm going to add some surface lines, but I'm thinking this to be kind of like rope that's tied around the neck of the bottle. This will help show it to our viewer as the neck is round here. Now with a slight diagonal curve, this is where my label is going to go. Now I'm going back in and darkening the lines now that I have this all worked out. It's always important to draw lightly. You can draw as light as possible. You can always come in with darker lines. Just redefining some of the lines here. Remember, drawing is something that comes along with patience and time, repetition. If you want to get great at drawing, you want to set a certain amount of time along each day and draw for 10 to 15 minutes. So we're coming to the end here, so I would suggest that you pause the video and get things all lined up. I hope you enjoyed this one. This should be a lot of fun, and you can color it and show it to your friends. Well, please like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.